Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to install SportzX on Firestick. So let's start. So how to install SportzX APK on Firestick and Android. So the first one is install the downloader app on your device. If you haven't done this, refer to our tutorial below. So launch downloader and hover over the URL bar and click on the select button on the remote, like this one. Type the code 5628419 and click on go. Okay, like this is seen here on the picture. Wait for the redirect page to load. So here are the VPN, the claim until they reload. You are now on the official sports website. Just download the APK and then not many encounter pop-ups that launch different websites. If that happens to you, click back to return the downloader page. Clean web to remove ads. So here you can do it and click on install and then select done and choose delete to remove the installation file. So here you can delete it and click and delete again. And the last step is protect yourself when using the unverified streaming app, so you have to protect it. Okay, so that's how you can do it, guys. As you can see, it's very easy, but well, of course, this is an official way to do it. It's an APK program, so please be careful with your devices. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video.